Hello and welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 4. Today we're going to be talking about percents that are greater than 100 or less than 1. So here we have our real world link. It says there are over 220,000 species of plants on Earth. Of those, 590 are carnivorous, meaning they eat meat. Plants that eat meat. Such plants such as Venus flytrap catch their prey as food. Write the fraction of species of carnivorous plants in simplest form. All right, I'm going to stop the video here so I can work on this. All right, so we would have 590 over 220,000. I could divide that both by 10. Divide them by 10 to get 59 over 22,000. Then I need to do top, 59 divided by the bottom, 22,000 to get my answer. So here's what I'm going to have. A decimal there. Can't go, can't go, can't go. 22 would go to 44, would go to 66. So, all right, let me get my zeros. Can't go into 590, can't go into 5,900. Can twice, minus 44,000. 0, 0, 0, 5, 1. Bring down another 0. Oh my. 22 to go into 150,000. So we've got 22, 44, 66, 88, 110. Oops. 110. Another 22. Be 132. Another 22. 454. 154. Okay, so we can go till here. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 132,000. Didn't give me enough space here. Rounded to the nearest thousandth, of course. Read the directions first, guys. So we got the tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So we could have stopped after 6. Oh, and we're on 6, so I guess we didn't go too much, but. Okay, so we got the decimal. 0.026. So I would round that. Looking at the 6, it's going to tell me to add 1. So it'll be 0.003. So that would be written in decimal form. So this fraction written in decimal form would be this. Write your answer to exercise 2 as a fraction. It would be 3 thousandths. 3 thousandths. Since 3/10 is 30%, 300ths is 3%. What percent is equal to 3 thousandths? It would be 0.3%, right? Because even if I went here and I moved it 1, 2, be 0.3%. So it says to explain, there's my explanation. I did it in words. Let's move on. All right, so percents as decimals and fractions. So if I have 0.2%, as a decimal, I need to go smaller, right? And so I'd move it twice. So as a decimal, it'd be 2 thousandths. Or as a fraction, it'd be 1/500th in reduced form. Simplest form. The same way, if I have 170%, right, 170%, and I need to turn that into a decimal, 1, 2, it would be 1.7 as a decimal form, or 1 7/10 in fraction form. Okay? So we would just have a whole number if we're writing it in fraction form, and in decimal form if it's over 100%. Let's go here. Write this as a decimal and a mixed number of fraction. So 0.25%, if I'm going to write that in fraction decimal form, let's do decimal form first. 1, 2. So it would be 0.0025. Wow. Yeah, that is right, isn't it? And then in fraction form, it would be 25 over 10,000. Okay, and then if I divided them both by 25, I would get 1 over, let's see, 400. Okay, and then 300% would be written as, in fraction form, that would just be 3. Funny. And then in decimal form, it would also just be 3, right? Because I would go twice, so it would be 3. So then this one in fraction will be 5.3, 5 and 3/10. Sorry, that's decimal. Fraction would be 5 and 3/10. And that's simplified, so there's nothing we have to do with that. All right, that's all I'm going to do for this page. Let's go to the next page. Okay, to write a decimal as a percent, multiply by 100, add a percent sign. Okay, not too bad. So if I wanted to write 1 1/4 as a percent, I know that would be 1.25 as a decimal. And if I wanted to write it as a percent, 125%. Now, they went straight to fraction. Oh, isn't that interesting? Did you see what they did there? They saw 1 1/4. They turned it into an improper fraction of 5/4. And then multiplied by 25 to get 125 over 100. Okay, that's another way to do it. 2 and 9/10 would be 2 and 9/10. So then if I boop, boop, be 290%. 3 and 2/5. So let's do it the other way. Let's circle up. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 more is 17/5 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20. 17 multiplied by 20 be 340 over 100, or 340%, and 3.4 in decimal form. Oh, we just had to write it as a percent. Never mind. 340%. There we go. Write 1 6800ths as a percent, so we can just multiply by 100. 1 6800ths, boop, boop, 168%. Write 0.0075 as a percent, so again, we just go boop, boop. 0.75% is what it would be written as a percent. All right, that's all that I have for you for today. Thanks for watching till the end, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.